right, so here's the Action 5 Pro. All right, looks pretty nice. And we're going to use the cage it came with. We have the mount here, and we also have the DJI selfie stick. So we got all the batteries in here. So we're gonna go ahead and do an install on the batteries onto the Action, put it in the case, turn it on, see how that works. There you go, and then this opens. Here goes the SD slot here. Go ahead and put that in here. Battery goes in this way. Then we go ahead and put it in the cage. There we go. Go ahead and start it up. The on button here on the side. On. There we go. English. Device name. Scan the QR code to download the DJI. Let me go ahead and do that. Reset date and time. Go. Quick start guide. Shutter record button. Swipe left or right to change shooting modes. Or like video. Tap to change shooting mode. Tap to preview photos. Tap to adjust image and audio parameters. So we'll put Pro. I usually like normal color, auto exposure, default confirm, microphone, stereo, standard, perfect. How tap and hold to adjust digital zoom. Oh, nice, has like a little wheel. Well, let me take this off actually. There we go. Now we're talking. Nice and clear. The digital zoom. We got the set stabilization mode or FOV. Rocksteady Plus says tap to enable pre-record or loop recording. All right, nice. Swipe to unlock screen. Let's see how that one works. Quick switch menu, screen switch. Switch and screen will enable single screen preview. It has photo, video, super night, subject tracking, slow motion, time lapse, hyperlapse, and playback. And then we have the brightness. We could put it down like at 50. Then we have the wireless mic. Press and hold record button until indicator turns solid blue. Press and hold blinking button until indicator blinks blue quickly. I think it could have multiple cameras. I don't know, maybe just one camera at a time. Slow motion, 240 frames. Wow. If I do 4K, I have 120. It's pretty cool, but this one is nice, 240. And we have 2.7 4K. Night, super night. So we'll do video, standard. I like Rocksteady. Ultra wide, got wide, standard. I don't know which one this rec study does, but we'll figure it out. Wide lens for sure. Ultra wide it's a good point of view. We'll give it a shot and see how that comes out. All right, and that was it. Go ahead and turn this off now. Just hold and press it and then it turns off. Very nice. DJI Osmo. There we go, it clipped on real good. And we'll go ahead and put it on the selfie stick. There we go. Selfie sticks extends pretty long. But that's it. Feels good on the hands and everything. Good vlogging camera. Give it a shot when I go on my trip, see how it looks when I get back, and we'll share the footage with you guys. Thanks for watching.